Hi, Tim Hart here. Forest applications and along the Forest Apps Road. We'd like to ask for some volunteers trying to put together a little video talking about I'm going to call it the Eriksson Trail. So many people in the United States don't realize what type of a influence that Soren Eriksson training has been in the past in putting together the open face techniques, a lot of chainsaw features. He basically helped to develop a lot of the mainstay personal protective equipment. Putting together the open face techniques, a lot of chainsaw features. He basically helped to develop a lot of the mainstay personal protective equipment. When he came to the United States in the late 70s, early 80s, working with major companies like Westvaco, Union Camp, Scott Paper Company, and that's where he started to put together the game of logging. He also started to develop personal protective equipment, chaps, pants, boots, helmet systems, face shields, hearing protection, all of this, and basically started a manufacturing facility at that time in Eclectic, Alabama, and then moved later to Somerville. And they started producing all of the personal protective gear for steel for the United States. And so it really grew chainsaw safety during the 80s and 90s. I just want to try to more or less put some history together of what Soren has meant to you and I as far as our techniques, our PPE, whatever that we do to stay safe and be productive with chainsaw operations. I've noticed over the past few weeks, I've been kind of looking around to see what types of videos are out there on YouTube as far as chainsaw operation, that most likely the techniques started to come over the years or evolve over the years from training that Soren Eriksson training did, I guess, since 1978, 1979. If you have learned what you know about chainsaws from anyone as far as forest application training, Soren Eriksson training, the game of logging, the Arbor Master training, any of the colleges or universities that were part of our collegiate program back, either sponsored by Steel or by Husqvarna, and that covers logging, tree care, disaster groups, firewood, just about any place where chainsaws are used. Today, Soren had a lot of effect on it. Even West Coast thinning techniques. He was all over the United States, and so he played a big part. U.S. Forest Service. All of this has stemmed from basically Soren's instruction over these years. Soren has been instrumental. I want to put this together. This December 2022 marks 5 years. Soren passed away in 2017 in December. I've been working, trying to come up with something to commemorate him. I want to ask you to help out for maybe some just audio back and forth to go on podcast and also fill in on the YouTube video. If anyone out there would be willing to do that, you can contact me either back in the comments to this particular video, or you can take and send it to info@forestapps.com. Just need contact information. I'll send you back an email or call you and hopefully be able to set up something where we can do just a little audio of what Soren Eriksson training has meant to you and your career over the years. I know hundreds and hundreds, if not thousands, who have participated in programs, and a lot of people don't realize the techniques that they're using have evolved from Soren. I'm going to be putting together over the Christmas vacation, so I'm going to try to get this put together to air by the end of December. So if you could help me with that, I would greatly appreciate it. And we're looking forward to it. And good sawing to you.